no matter how much you prepare, life can be full of unexpected surprises. The BlackVue DR770X series full HD cloud-compatible dashcam captures life's unexpected moments in critical detail for safekeeping. Now you can rest easy, knowing that you have video evidence stored safely. With parking mode, your BlackVue keeps watch while you're away, with options for time-lapse or motion detection. Events are captured with buffered recording, so you'll have indisputable evidence of what led to the incident. With a BlackVue cloud account, you'll receive alerts of motion or impact, as well as take comfort in knowing that event footage is automatically stored in the cloud with live event upload. And with seamless pairing, setting up your dashcam is a breeze. No need for passwords or scanning codes. Don't get caught off guard when life hands you the unexpected. Ensure reliable protection for you and your vehicle with the BlackVue DR770X series dashcam. Go to BlackVue.com to find yours.